Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another beautiful day and we have an interesting challenge, an Olympics question of Saginaw Valley State University in America. Now let's delve into the solution proper. So we have to evaluate the cosine of pi on 12. Now in this exam, you are not allowed to use a table nor a calculator. So it means that you must be creative by thinking outside the box. So if I express pi on 12 as a fraction, I'm going to have two fractions. So that will help us. So the cosine of pi on 12 can be written as the cosine of 4 pi on 12 minus 3 pi on 12. Now the choice of 4 and 3 is actually to allow us to get a special angle. So you could use 6 and 5. So you can see that these angles in radian can be simplified further to reduce it. So 4 will divide 4 pi and can divide 12. So what we have to have here is the cosine of pi on 3 minus, if you use 3 to divide these two guys here, we have pi on 4. So this is the very punchline of this problem. If we move forward, this is a compound angle, then we are going to use the addition formula. But we know that the cosine of angle A minus B is the same thing as the cosine of angle A multiply the cosine of angle B plus the sine of angle A multiplied by the sine of angle B. So this is the addition formula. Our A here is pi on 3, our B here is pi on 4. So this is going to give us the cosine of pi on 3 multiply the cosine of pi on 4 plus the sine of pi on 3 multiply sine of pi on 4. So we are going to have, now pi is 180. If I use 3 to divide 180, I'm going to have 60. This is the cosine of 60 degrees. Pi, again, 180 divided by 4, that will be 45, cosine of 45 degrees, plus the sine of 60 degrees, multiply the sine of 45 degrees. As you can see here, with 60 degrees and 45 degrees are special angles. That's one of the fundamentals in basic trigonometry. So they have special ratios. You don't even need a calculator nor a 4-figure table. So the cosine of 60 is half. The cosine of 45 is 1 on root 2. Plus the sine of 60 is root 3 on 2. Multiply the sine of 45 is 1 on root 2. So as you can see, we are doing very well. So here we have a fraction, here we have a fraction. 1 multiply 1 is 1. 2 multiply root 2 is going to give us 2 root 2. Here, root 3 multiply 1 is root 3. 2 multiply root 2 is going to also give us 2 root 2. So as you can see, this fraction have the same denominators. We can simply add their numerators. So at this level, we've done very well. But in the world of surd, if you have a fraction, if you have the denominator of a surd, you need to rationalize that surd. So what we are going to have, we are going to rationalize this surd by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2 root 2. So we are going to have root 3 plus 1 multiply 2 root 2 all over 2 root 2, then 2 root 2. So at this level, we are gliding towards the solution. So we are going to multiply this surd out and multiply the one at the denominator. So that's going to give us 2 root 2 multiply root 3. Root 3 multiply root 2 is root 6. This will give me 2 root 6. 2 root 2 multiply 1, that's 2 root 2. 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 multiply 2 root 2. 2 multiply 2, that's 4. Root 2 multiply root 2, that's 2. 2 times 4, 8. So as you can see, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, and we have 8 here. So if I divide everything by 2, I'm going to be having root 6 plus root 2 all divided by 4. So this is the end of today's class. I guess you enjoyed it. Please, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. See you next time. Bye bye.